Welcome students. In this video we are going to discuss a very interesting and important questions of quadratic equation. Here question is the sum of the reciprocals of Rehman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So you have to take care of this part. The sum of the reciprocals. You know reciprocals means reciprocal of x is 1 by x. Reciprocal of a is 1 by a. So here sum of reciprocals of 3 years ago, age of Rehman 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So here we will suppose that the percentage of Rehman is x years, correct? So therefore Rehman's age 3 years ago is how much? 3 years ago means x minus 3 years, and 5 years from now present age is x, so 5 years from now is x plus 5, and 5 years from now is will be x plus 5 years. So reciprocal of these two numbers is 1 by 3. We have to find the value of x. We have to find the percentage of Rehman. Correct? So according to the question, here reciprocal of these two numbers means 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to how much? 1 by 3. So after simplifying it, we will get a quadratic equation, and we'll solve this quadratic equation. We'll get the value of x, means present age of Rehman. That we will do here now. So let us simplify it by taking LCM here. LCM of denominators, we can write this is x minus 3 and x plus 5. In numerator, multiplying 1 with x plus 5, so x plus 5, and multiplying this one with x minus 3, and right hand side is 1 by 3. Very simple. Now let us proceed. Or in numerator, this will be 2x, 5 minus 3 is 2, plus 2, and we will multiply these two linear expressions. So this will be x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. I hope you understood it very well. Now we will simplify further by cross multiplication. 1 into this much gives us x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into this much means 6x plus 6. Correct? Now we will transfer these two terms to left hand side, and you will get x square, here 2x, this will be minus 6x, so minus 4x, and this minus 15 and minus 6 is transferred here, so minus 16 is minus 21, this is equal to 0. Correct? And as we have discussed previously, there are 3 different methods to solve this quadratic equation. One method is by factorization, second method is by completing the square, and third method is by quadratic formula. So whichever you like, until it is not directed, not mentioned clearly that you have to adopt this method, you can use any method. So let us try to solve this question by factorizing it. Okay, this is very simple. Or so how to factorize this middle term? should be splitted into two parts such that sum or difference will remain same, minus 4x, but product of these two parts will be equal to product of first and last. So if first and last x square and 21, so its product will be minus 21x square. And whenever you will multiply these two, the product of these two should be minus 21x square. So let us try. We can write this as x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. You see, minus 7x plus 3x remains same here. Minus 4x. We should take care of this thing. There should not be any change. Minus 4x, that you are getting here, minus 4x, correct? And product of these two is minus 21x square. You are getting product of these two is minus 21x square. So you have to arrange in such a way, correct? Or now you will take common from these two terms. So what is common here? X. X is common. X. Remaining part is x minus 7. And this expression inside the bracket x minus 7 should be in another part also, x minus 7. Now taking 3 common in these two terms, 3 is common. So 3 is common. Here x minus 7 is equal to 0. You see, these two expressions should be same. X minus 7 is here, correct? Or x minus 7 is available in both the term. So x minus 7 will be common, and here x plus 3 is equal to 0. So you will get here two values of x. When x minus 7 is 0, either this part will be 0 or this part is 0. So when x minus 7 is 0, you will get x is equal to 7. And when x plus 3 is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to minus 3. But what is x? X we have taken as the present age of Rehman. So it cannot be a negative number, correct? So this is not acceptable. So we are getting x is equal to 7. This is the present age of the Rehman. So this is the answer. So present age of Rehman is 7 here. And just you can verify it, that you can check whether this answer is right or wrong. So 3 years ago his age is x minus 3, means 7 minus 3, that is 4. This is equal to 4. And 5 years from now its age will be 7 plus 5, that is 12. And what will be sum of reciprocals of these two? We are checking the answer. Sum of reciprocal 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. LCM is 12. This is 3 plus 1. 4 by 12 is equal to 1 by 3. So you see, verified. Answer is correct. We are getting sum of reciprocals is 1 by 3. Correct, as given in the question. So in this way, we can solve these questions very easily. Now we will see one more question. Okay, now we will see this next question. Here the question is, in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of the marks would have been 210. Find the marks in 2 subjects, correct? So now let us start the solution. First of all, let us suppose, let marks of Shefali in mathematics is x. So the marks of Shefali in English will be how much? Here already given that sum of these two marks, sum of marks in maths and English should be 30. So definitely it should be 30 minus x. Clear? If marks in maths is x, clearly in English mass would be 30 minus x. So that sum of these two will be, this plus x and minus will be cancelled out, sum will be 30. So this is the first part of the question. Okay. Now you see, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, mathematics marks is x. So if she gets 2 marks more in mathematics, means x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less in English, this is 30 minus x. So 3 marks less, minus 3 means 30 minus 3 means 27. 27 minus x. 3 marks less in English. And the product of these marks would have been 210. If you multiply these 2 marks, it would have been 210. Correct? So find the marks in 2 subjects. So we have to get the value of x, and easily we will get the value of 30 minus x also. So we have to get these 2 values here by solving this quadratic equation. So first of all, let us multiply these 2 linear expressions. So first of all, you multiply with x. So this is 27x minus x square. Now multiply with 2. This is 54 minus 2x. You transpose this 210 to left hand side. Minus 210 is equal to 0. Correct? Or this is minus x square. 27x minus 2x means 25x. Minus 210 plus 54 is equal to 156. This is equal to 0. Since this is minus x square, so multiplying both sides by minus 1, you will get x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now we will try to factorize here. So we will split this minus 25x into 2 parts such that sum and difference should remain same, minus 25x, and product should be product of these 2 terms, means 156x square. So you can write this is equal to x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. You see, minus 12x minus 13x is equal to minus 25x, remains same, and product of minus 13x and minus 12x is 156 square. That will be equal to product of first and last term. This is 156 square. Here also we will multiply these 2 terms. We will get 156 square. Correct? So in this way, we can break this middle term into 2 different parts. And or now taking common from these 2 terms, x will be common. So here x minus 12, and from these 2 terms minus 13 will be common. So minus 13 x minus 12 is equal to 0. You have to be very careful that the expression inside these 2 brackets should remain same, so that you could take once again common x minus 12 here, x minus 12 as common, and here x minus 13 is equal to 0. You see here product of these 2 linears is 0. So clearly either this part will be 0 or this part will be 0. Correct? So you are getting 2 values of x. When x minus 12 is 0, you are getting x is equal to 12. And when x minus 13 is 0, you are getting x is equal to 13. So we are getting 2 answers, 12 and 13. Correct? So in this way, we can get the required answer, which is the marks in 2 subjects. So this is marks in 1 subject in mathematics. So here we have got x is equal to 12. This is marks in maths. And marks in English, how we can get? That will be 30 minus x. So 30 minus x means 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 means 18. Correct? So this is marks in English. So this is one set of answer, 12 and 18. And we'll get another set of answer also when we will put x is equal to 13. So x is equal to 13 and 30 minus 13 means 17. So we are getting two sets of the answer. Correct? So in this way, we are getting marks in maths will be 12, marks in English will be 18. Or marks in maths is 13, marks in English is 17. Correct? So these are the answers. So students, you need to have a proper practice of these questions. You would have a good command over these topics. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss some more problems of the same chapter, Quadratic Equation. Thank you very much.